Oo. Feel ng laro. Timing. Very important. As he has missed the first. Yeah. Ang Evangelista is blocked. Villarias quickly to Eman Calo. Calo looking to finish, and he does! Eman Calo, what a move right there to start the ball game. Ito si Eman Calo. Inside Ojan, the kick out. Scotto now, mabigat. Mid-range jumper is good.
And then Masters.
Robbie Celis.
Good pass.
And Eman Calo lays it in for two. To JC Colliar. Takbo ang Nueva Ecija. Robbie Celis with a smooth finish. Nabasa ni Robbie Celis ang play doon. Robbie, the crossover.
Good move.
Oh, what a move. Robbie Celis. Ganito yan. Ganito yan.
Those 3 white shirts, Adel.
Oh. Pili misses the 3. Scotto, Pili will try again. This time he knocks it down. Robbie Celis off. Macaloni on the stick back.
Ang maganda rin yung adjustment nito ni, let's see this 3-point play first by Pili of that second possession. Yung pag-facilitate ni JC Colliar, so Sedel, maganda rin eh.
A 3-point shot brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances. And Eman Calo is up to 8 points in the ball game.
Season, nag-gain na Sedel, no?
Oo, medyo payat siya last season.
Oo, nakita mo na yung laki.
Scotto to Ojan. Great move by Ojan, off the glass and in.
And you know, those are the things na minsan nga mong ayusin.
Here's Toto Villarias. Now with Eman Calo, makes his move. Calo lays it in for 2. 10 points now para kay Eman Calo.
Oh, lang play. Yung pasensya ni Eman Calo in maturity.
Pili, second 3.
No, second 3-pointer.
16 to 15. Robbie Celis. And he swing it over to Toto Villarias, and that's the first 3-pointer from beyond the arc for Nueva Ecija. 2 of 4 din para sa Marikina. 19 to 15. Pili feeling it. 19 to 18. He commits the turnover. Macaloni running the floor. Pili able to save that to Mabigat. 4-on-2. Mabigat pulls up. Yes!
Yeah, specialty.
Marikina in the lead, 20 to 19.
Kailangan talaga tuloy-tuloy lang yung pagbuo mo dun sa team mo eh.
Oo nga.
And Coach Don knows that. Imagine, even with 8 wins already and no losses, talagang tuloy tinatrabaho niya pa rin. No signs na magre-relax sila.
Chris Bitoon, Nat Cosejo, and Rico in the ball game. Macaloni on the attack and the finish. Galing kay Will Macaloni.
Too easy. Ito ng mga Nueva Ecija at 69% sa Del.
Yep, Estacio misses. Oh, Scotto comes away with it. Jethro Scotto, such a smart.
Scrappy, no?
Oh. Nico almost got the steal there. Macaloni nakabuelo na naman, and he puts it in for 2. So game clock and shot clock. Maguliano na agaw. Casajeros will lay it in for 2.
Maybe the first quarter in this season.
This end of the first quarter score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending. Bounce pass to Wico behind ang kanyang pasa. Cosejo. He'll drive. Binigay kay Bayo, and JB Bayo with a tough finish. Actually, sabi ko pa, good defense yata yun ah. Mabigat. The turnaround shot rolls in para kay Mel Mabigat.
And that's the...
Bitoon, nakawala. Layup is good.
Good pass.
Basco nails the jumper.
Slowly but surely, you know.
Biton is blocked by Ujan, recovered by Collado. Bayo, baseline jumper is short. Collado with an easy finish.
Jay will not miss sa ganung kalapit. Again, most of the games halos ginagamit niya talaga yung kanyang bench sa Delphi. Kaya
Yeah.
kumpiyansa lang maglaro eh.
Mabigat, the one-hander. He's got 12 points. Collado, the kick out. Carlo for 3. Yes! We go to Mix Castellano. 8 on the shot clock.
This is a good matchup.
Against Collado. Nalibre si Estacio sa ilalim. And
During his times with the EAC, especially playing coach under Coach Gerson, na-develop na yung leadership ni JP. So, maganda na yung naging, madali na yung naging transition niya.
this score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Pili taking it strong to the rack, off the glass and in.
And talking about, inda pa rin ang pinapakita nitong Marikina Shoemasters.
And Robbie Celis taking it strong inside. Pili, good closeout. Mike Wico. Escoto has to fire and he puts it in. Celis,
Good pass.
great pass. Saktong-sakto para kay Mike Wico. On Bayo, 3-on-1. Inside they go. Byron Villarreal. Footing na agaw ni Bayo, JB Bayo. Gets deep in position, no good. And Villarreal puts it in for 2. Already with 5 rebounds in the ball game. Colliar will fire and hit. Colliar will try to go back-to-back. He does! And JC Colliar, 7 points. Celis. Wico inside. Macaloni.
Kanya na yan.
Knocking down on Ojan. Macaloni, the kick out. JC for 3. Yes! Goes to Costello. 3-pointer. Yes! And way to the basket. Cosejo knocks down the corner 3. 74-48 ang lamang nila against Marikina. GameX is the official basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Ba 6 as we begin the 4th. Costello, Macaloni off the glass and in.
That
Pili gets a running start. Ujan scores underneath. So, kay Costello, umatake, the spin move. Cosejo.
good move.
Oh, not Cosejo. Probably with Emilio Aguinaldo College.
Exactly. Pero quality na.
Oh, Maguliano inside.
Lalo yung part.
Dami rin problema binigay sa'yo dati.
Oo. Medyo sinuwerte lang ako sa resulta.
Costello drives and scores. Colliar gets it to Clark Derrigue. Hits the 3. Clark Derrigue. Good drive by Pili. Derrigue on the move. 5 points para kay Clark Derrigue, making the most out of his time on the floor.
Off the bench.
Sabale forced that one. He puts it in for 2.
2-7 third quarter run by the Rice Vanguards.
The best player of the game brought to you by Buenas. Robbie Celis, who led that third quarter burst. And, you know, para sa akin, it was more of, you know, the body language and more of like pagkakuha natin ng rebound, we have to run.
Oo, totoo yan.
And he instigated that run para dito sa Nueva Ecija Rise Vanguards. 88-64, the final score brought to you by GameX, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta